Welcome back, ladies. HairObsess Jay C as usual. So I just filmed this hairstyle with a no heat, and if you'd like to see how I did this, keep watching. I'm just kidding. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the club down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you haven't decided already, I'll leave some videos up in the cards above for you guys to check those out so you can be a part of the club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.